Good morning, students. I want to just take an opportunity to go over the problems from our hyperdoc yesterday. So you only need to watch this video if you need a refresher from our Google Hangout that we did today, or if you did not attend our Google Hangout today. So you saw that this was posted yesterday in the hyperdoc. So this 4 is being multiplied across the parentheses. So we're going to go like this. So this is how I would suggest you do it, right? So that's 4 times 2x, so that is 8x, plus 4 times 1 is 4, and it equals 12. Alrighty, now we need to, so this was the distributive property. Okay, now we need to undo the problem. We need to undo the problem. So we're going to do, and then we're going to do the opposite operation. So I'm going to do minus 4, draw my line. So I'm left with, 8x equals 12 minus 4 would be 8. Okay, so I'm going to undo again. So these two are multiplying, so I undo it by division, undo it by division. That crosses off. I'm left with x equals 1. So this is my solution, right? And this is my, so this is one step right here, right? That was my first step of undoing it. Here's my second step. But before I could even do that, I needed to do the distributive property. Alrighty, let's go on to the next problem. I think you can still see. It is 5 times 2x minus 2 equals 20 was the problem. So what's the first thing I need to do? You should be saying the distributive property. So I'm going to multiply across. So 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 2, now it's a negative 2, so a positive times a negative 2 is a negative 10, and then I keep my 20. Okay, so now my problem is set that I can do. So I'm going to undo it. So opposite of subtracting 10 would be adding 10 to both sides. So I'm going to add 10 to both sides. That crosses off. So I'm left with 10x equals 30. These two are being multiplied together. So I undo it by division. Undo it by division. They cross off. I'm left with x equals 30 divided by 10 is 3. Now if I stuck this answer back in this problem, I should get 20. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go 5 times 2 times 3 minus 2 needs to equal 20. So I'm going to give you a moment just to think about that. So 5, 2, you said that x was 3, so there's my 3. They're touching, so that means that's multiplication. So just for our purposes, I put that here so you know that's multiplication. Minus your 2 equals. Okay, so 5. So 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2 equals 20. 6 minus 2 is 4, right? So 5 times 4, you are absolutely right, it is 20. So it works out, so I know my answer is correct. Alrighty, have a great day.